Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, it's another video with these two. So we're going to be doing Guess the Price of My Makeup challenge, and we're going to see who wins.
We're filming this 5 minutes after than the first video we did.
Obviously, we're wearing the same clothes and everything.
Look, you'll see my shirt. We're wearing everything the same.
He's wearing girl pants.
Yeah, don't mind that. Shut up.
First product is this Too Faced Born This Way foundation. You guys can look at it, touch it.
Here, Nino can feel it first.
Feel it, look at it.
I think it's $10.
Okay, let Nanny feel. You think that's $10?
$10?
Yeah, I don't know what makeup prices are.
Well, do you think this would be something that costs a lot of money or no? Like, do you think it looks really big?
I don't think it costs over $100.
It definitely looks really fancy.
What's the price that it goes over? No, like, what's the price of all the makeup that it just stops?
I don't know what you mean.
It's definitely
like when does it, like, you can't get it at like a certain amount of money? Like, it just stops the amount of money right there, like 100.
Yeah, all these products are under $60.
It definitely
$20
does look like really
No,
like
50.
fancy and pretty. So I'm gonna go with like 20.
Okay, so you're saying $20. What are you saying?
40.
40 bucks? Okay,
Oh,
so you are the winner.
Really?
It's $51.
I was gonna say something higher, but I was like,
I said 50 after I said 10.
No, you said 40.
No, after I said
Nino.
when you didn't hear me, I said 60. When you said 60, I said 50.
he's such a cheater.
But then, no, I said that, but then I said 40, but I won.
He's such a cheater.
Next.
Bro, you can't even do take the L.
Okay, sit.
Get
Stop.
down.
Stop. The next product is another foundation, Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You guys can touch it, look at it. How much do you think it is?
He just needs. Done. It's 500.
All these products are under $60, so I'm gonna give this one maybe 39.
Okay.
You're gonna get more since I
Maybelline
don't
New
know.
York Fit Me Hydrate Smooth.
You better not read any numbers.
New Look Saver Formula 1818. That's all I read.
Okay, buddy
I
boy.
think it might be like
18. There you go.
like they're all up to 60.
Bro, you can't even do take
But
the
that they range from $1 to $60.
Can't even do it on this couch.
Okay, I think it might be somewhere like
That has all the answers on it.
from
I can't even read. I saw blue right
From
and like blah,
10
blah, blah, blah,
to $20.
So pick
$10.
one.
20.
$20?
Either way. if
And
it's
what's
lower,
your
it's
answer?
closer.
I already said like 30 or 39. I think 39.
Okay, you win. It's $7.
God damn it! 7.
Yeah, this is only $7.
One time, one
One
point, I think I need to go higher. Now I think I need to go lower.
How much do you guys think this is? The NYX setting spray.
You
$3.
can get that at Dollarama.
$3? What do you think?
It's not cheap. It's pretty cheap.
Long-lasting lounge setting.
I'm
spray.
losing this round.
Maybe like
I don't know why I said $3, but it just came into my mind. Bro, I'm gonna take the L right here.
So is that your final answer? And what was your final answer?
3.
I bet it's like 200.
It's $10.
So I win.
Yeah. This is the next one, a setting spray, Too Faced Peach Mist setting spray.
$2.
And remember, it's the same brand as this $51 product.
God,
So how much do you think this is?
Can I go first?
I don't know. Nanny, go first.
Okay. What is that? Peach Mist Too Faced. So
You have a kit?
No.
the other one was $51. So
Look, watch me do take the L.
So I'm pretty. I think 40 bucks.
$40? How much do you think this is?
$10.
$20, so you win.
Let's go.
And And you're telling us it's close to the $51.
Well, it's the same brand as the $51. So how much do you think this is? Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer.
Just got clapped. It's really heavy. Is there anything from the same brand? No.
I don't even know.
Sephora.
Okay, so maybe like $20.
$20? Okay.
20
How much
bucks.
do you think this is?
Is
You
it
can
bucks
touch
or
it.
dollars Canadian?
How much?
$40.
$38. So you're pretty good at the high-end stuff. You got the point, Nino.
Wait,
You got the point.
I thought you pointed at her.
No, you.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
This next one is Physicians Formula Bronze Booster.
Wait, does this have a formula in it?
So how much do you think
This
that
must
is?
be a formula. Whatever
It's bronzer.
called.
You can open it and sniff it or stuff. It's how much do you think it is?
Where do you put this on your face?
Like right here. How much do you think it is?
Beauty Guru 2021.
You want to see my fake cough?
The shade
That's my
is
fake
like
cough.
a
I'm not
really
good at it.
pretty brown.
Like this is not a makeup tutorial. Just like how much money do you think it's worth?
It's no makeup.
I don't know.
This is your old videos. Now you're doing
Like
this.
$30?
$30? Okay, what do you think?
Oh yeah, do the last video that we're posting tomorrow.
Come sit up here, Nino. And how much do you think this is?
We're not posting that.
$40.
Okay, Nanny, you win. It's $21.
God. Wait, what did she get?
30.
Okay, I do.
This lipstick, how much do you guys think this is? From
Can we open it?
Essence.
Oh, Essence is like usually
Here.
really cheap.
Let me see this lipstick. I'm about
Pull
to
it.
look like I'm
Don't
Miranda
twist it.
Sings.
Pull it.
Pull
Like,
it,
bro. I know what I'm doing. I hate makeup.
Don't put it on.
That's the funniest thing I've ever seen.
Beauty Guru 2021.
Oh my god, are you Miranda Sings?
Yeah.
No, close
Hi,
it.
it's me. Wait, open your
How
mouth
much
and
do you
I'll
think
talk.
it is?
Hi, it's me, Miranda.
Now that you've felt it, how much do you think it is?
Cheap $15.
$15 is cheap?
I have one just like this. It's like a
I hate
purple
this
glittery
lipstick.
white one. But
I hate makeup since I'm not Miranda. I'm a person that
maybe like
hates makeup.
How much money do you think it is?
$17.
And you?
$14.
You're closer. It's $5.
Okay.
Next product, Maybelline Fit Me setting powder, pressed powder. How much do you think it is?
Let me
And that's
smell.
the same brand as this one, which was $7.
So this must be cheap.
What do you think?
$4. No,
Okay.
no, actually, I think it may be in the 14 or 13 area.
So you think it's $13?
14 or 13.
You have to pick one.
My full guess is 13.
$13? What do you
Um,
think?
It's the same as the $7 one.
$13.
Whoa, look, it becomes a mirror. Maybe like 17.
Okay. You win. It's
Yes,
$6.50.
bro, I know it was cheap.
He's gonna win. I can't catch up.
Next product, Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions eyeshadow palette. How much do you think this is?
Ooh, that was expensive.
What brand is it from? Is the
Huda
brand,
Beauty.
is that a good brand?
Huda
Doesn't that
Beauty.
make
It's
all
from
the-
Sephora.
Okay, it must make like $1 billion.
Is your nose itchy?
No, yeah.
Don't pick it on camera.
Right here, it's itchy, right in the middle. Maybe around the 40s.
$40?
Yeah.
Okay,
right there.
What's that, bro?
Okay, final guesses. What do you think?
49.
49 and you
40.
You get that right. It's $36. You're right.
Yes! Bro, I'm too good. I'm so good.
So that's it for this challenge. Looks like he's the winner today, which is actually really surprising. No offense, babe, but I really thought Nanny was gonna win. I'm really
but you're wrong.
I was wrong. I'm really
Yeah,
surprised by that. So she's gonna eat a spoonful of mustard because she lost the challenge.
But that's not today, so it's just the middle of the night.
Shh. she picked this punishment for herself, so she is gonna do that. So we're gonna film it, we're gonna upload it. It's gonna be right now.
And I also do hate mustard. It's like
Yes, she really hates mustard.
The first time she had it, she liked it. Then the second time she didn't, and then now she's gonna try it again. We'll see how it goes.
Yeah, like I liked it. That
Next video, I'm just kidding. I don't know what video will be.
Here it goes.
Wait, how are you?
Okay, so here's her punishment.
I'm scared.
So you have to eat it.
Like, do I have to swallow it?
Yeah.
All of it?
Yeah, go.
Ew!
Oh my god. No.
Can't.
You got it. You can't? Ew. Oh my god. And that was it for today's video. Bye.